Hello, everyone. Welcome to Whispers of Meghalaya, the podcast where stories, people, and landscapes come alive. I'm Aneesa.
And I'm David. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited because today's episode is all about a place that's very close to our hearts, Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. Even the name sounds magical. You know, it literally means Abode of Clouds in Sanskrit. And trust me, it really lives up to that name.
Absolutely. Meghalaya is one of those places where you feel like nature is whispering to you. Dense forests, rolling hills, waterfalls, it's like poetry in every direction.
So David, for our listeners who might not know, where exactly is Meghalaya?
Good starting point. Meghalaya is one of the northeastern states of India. It borders Assam to the north and Bangladesh to the south. It's not a very big state, but it's incredibly rich, not just in natural beauty, but in culture too.
Speaking of culture, I have to say, the people of Meghalaya are some of the warmest and friendliest you'll ever meet. The state is home mainly to three tribes, the Khasis, the Garos, and the Jaintias.
Right, and what's really unique is that these communities follow a Matrilineal system. That means inheritance and family names pass through the women.
That's so fascinating. Women hold a central place in society. It's so different from most other parts of the world.
Exactly, and you can see it not just in homes, but even in markets like the famous Iyuda market in Shillong. Women run most of the shops.
Iyuda, the moment you step there, it's like stepping into a living, breathing heart of Meghalaya. The colors, the sounds, the smells, it's unforgettable.
Totally, and if we're talking about unforgettable, we have to mention Cherrapunji and Mawlynnong.
Excited, yes, the wettest places on Earth. Imagine, it rains so much there that people sometimes build living root bridges out of trees to cross streams and rivers.
Those bridges are just incredible. They take decades to grow, but once they're ready, they're stronger than most man-made bridges. It's like nature and humans working together side by side.
I love that spirit of balance. The people of Meghalaya have always respected the environment. Even today, there are sacred forests, like the Mawlynnong Sacred Grove, where you're not allowed to cut trees or even take a fallen leaf.
It shows how deeply they believe in coexisting with nature. In a world that's rushing forward, Meghalaya reminds us to slow down and breathe.
Let's talk about music and festivals too, because Meghalaya is a land of music, right?
Oh, big time, from traditional drum beats to modern rock bands. Music runs in their veins. Shillong is even called the rock capital of India.
And not to forget festivals like Shad Sukminsum, the Dance of Peace, where the Khasi community dresses in their traditional finery and dances to honor their ancestors.
It's a breathtaking sight. The dances are graceful, and each movement is symbolic. It's not just a festival, it's a living tradition.
One thing I personally love is how every village has its own story. Like Mawlynnong, did you know it's called the cleanest village in Asia?
I did. Imagine cobbled stone pathways, flower gardens at every doorstep, bamboo dustbins. Everyone in the village participates in keeping it clean.
It's inspiring. Shows how community spirit can create magic.
Talking about community spirit, even the language is beautiful. Khasi, Garo, Jaintia each has its own rhythm and history.
And food. We cannot talk about Meghalaya and skip the food.
True, food in Meghalaya is simple but delicious. Rice is a staple, served with spicy meat or fish dishes.
Garo is a must-try. It's rice cooked with meat and spices. And tungrambai, fermented soybeans, might be an acquired taste, but it's so full of flavor.
Plus bamboo shoots, fresh turmeric leaves, and wild berries. The food really reflects the forests and hills.
Before we wrap up, David, if you had to describe Meghalaya in one word, what would it be?
I'd say soulful. Meghalaya touches something deep inside you.
I love that. For me, it's alive. Every breeze, every raindrop, every smile, it's all alive and vibrant.
Beautiful. So, to everyone listening, if you ever get a chance, visit Meghalaya, experience its kindness, its music, its rain, its magic.
And until then, keep dreaming of cloud-kissed hills and singing forests.
This is David B.
And Aneesa, signing off from Whispers of Meghalaya. See you next time.